Hi YouTube, it is September 4th, 2017, and this is a daily chart of the dollar index. What we're looking at here is a chart that stretches back to April of this year. So this black descending trend line is one that encompasses most of the body of this trend, whether it's making lower highs, higher lows, lower highs, higher lows. It tends to bump into this 50 period moving average before sloping down. So the key points of this chart are R1 and R2. Those are the two critical areas of resistance, and the 12,000 mark. So all of these things are coinciding to be around 12,000. So this tighter trend line that's in red shows how price is acting well in terms of rejecting price when it comes above. So it's trending in that direction, whether it's a tightly sloping trend line or a loosely sloping trend line in black. Prices are still trending down, but there are two higher highs, or I should say higher lows, denoted by these green candles, one here right at 11,848 and the other one at 11,873. So this green rectangle is a zone where there's an intense amount of demand and price acts very well around there. So it's bumping into some interim resistance right now. You can see that on the daily for today's candle, technically September 5th, that it is red and it is engulfing the body of this candle right here. So this was the Labor Day trading. It's very light. So sellers are starting to pick up in earnest, and it seems like price could be obeying this red trend line here. So we have an S1 and an S2 at 11,850. That's right where S1 comes in line with the bottom of this candle right here, daily candle, and this S2, which is at 11,789. So I want to keep an open mind to whatever happens. So if the dollar should be getting weaker, we could pay attention to currencies like Euro, Aussie, Canadian dollar, British pound. If it should be getting stronger, which I think that it's time, the Euro did hit a key objective of 120 last week, that we could see it pushes higher as 12,000 or even higher than that, 12,050 or 12,1100 at R2. Those are definitely possibilities that are in the cards. So as far as a short-term setup, the dollar index looks like it's low on the curve. It's possibly trending higher again if it starts to generate some of these higher lows and higher highs. Then we could possibly see where in the trend is an optimal location to take a trend, a trade in the direction of the trend, where there's more opportunity on the long side than there is on the short. So I'm going to be putting up trades in the Euro and the Aussie that would benefit from the dollar getting stronger. So that's what I have for you today. Trade well and take care.